There it is. So it looks like. It looks beautiful. It smells great. Morning everybody. We're gonna go back to our pasta videos today. And today I'm gonna do it a special way. I was at the store yesterday, couldn't find any pasta sauce. So this video is gonna be how to make pasta without any pasta sauce. If you don't have any tomato sauce, you don't have anything, no Alfredo sauce, how you make pasta. We're gonna tackle that problem today. Plus, today I'm gonna use this organic whole wheat spaghetti because this is the only pasta that I could find at my local grocery store. So we're gonna do this pasta, which I've never made before, with no pasta sauce. Let's do it. So for this dish, you're gonna need a pasta of your choice. Kerrygold garlic and herb butter. Need some grated Parm, Pecorino Romano, or any other cheese you have. Let's go do it. Alright, so we got the water boiling. I'm gonna add some salt to it. Always wait to add the salt. Water has to boil. Then you add it. At that point, you add it. And add a little more because this is going to be the base for the sauce. So I want it to be a little salty. Okay. Now, I'm going to add the pasta. The whole wheat, organic. Pasta. It says it cooks in about 9 minutes, so I'll see you back in 9 minutes. So this is the key step to this no sauce recipe. Gotta move the camera back from all the heat. Here's what happens. You're gonna take some of the water, the salt water, use it for the sauce. Okay. Need a little more than that. Okay. It's about right. I'm gonna use that for the sauce, okay? So this is gonna go fast. Our pasta's ready. Our base is getting warmed up. So you're gonna wait for that to boil again. It's right there. I'm gonna add some garlic and herb butter. And I'm gonna put some regular butter to mix it with. Just mix it. Mix it. Mix all of it. The butter goodness, garlic, herb, all of that. Get it all in there. Okay. Now that it's all good and mixed, drop the pasta in. Drop the pasta. Mix the pasta. I'm gonna add some Pecorino Romano in there. I'm gonna mix it. Mix it, mix it, mix it. Add some Parmesan cheese on top of that. Mix it again. Mix it again. see if it tastes good. It's my first time tasting this pasta. It's organic whole wheat. Never had whole wheat organic pasta before. I'm a Barilla guy. So let's try it. It's really, really good. The garlic and herb butter is the key. Again, that butter just makes whatever I'm making, that butter makes it, man. Wow, it's really good. Wow, I can taste everything in the sauce. The pasta has a whole wheat kick to it that you would get like eating a whole wheat bread. Kind of tastes like that. Not as strong, but there's just a little bit, slight kick to it. If you don't have any tomato sauce, you don't have any Alfredo sauce, you get nothing in the house, just make this. Use any pasta of your choice, whatever you have. It's going to be delicious. You're going to enjoy lunch. That's all I have for this quick video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.